Amber Alert. The following message is transmitted at the
EAS.
request of the Illinois State Police. An Illinois Amber Alert is being initiated at the request of the Missouri Highway Patrol to assist them in their investigation of an abduction which occurred in their state. The abduction occurred at 2200 Woodson Road in Overland, Missouri at 11:30 a.m. today. Abducted was Brian Scott Pullen, a white male aged 9 months, described as 30 inches tall, 20 pounds, with blue eyes, blonde hair, and wearing a blue and white outfit.
There was already an
The
EAS.
suspect vehicle is a red or maroon older model sports car, possibly a Jaguar, with unknown license information, last seen westbound on Flora Avenue. The suspect, Brian K. Pullen, a white male, 40 years old, described as 5 feet, 11 inches tall, weighing 150 pounds, wearing a red shirt and blue jeans. The suspect is a Missouri convicted felon and a registered sex offender. He was armed with a shotgun at the time of the abduction. He is possibly en route to Fairmont City, Illinois.